Welcome to day one of your coding journey. If you have ever wanted to learn programming, but you didn't know where to start, this series is for you. Today we are going to discuss variables. Variables is the basic concept of programming. Whether you learn Python, JavaScript, or Java, it will be your first step. So let's start. A variable is like a label box where we can put some information. Just imagine you have a backpack where you can put books, pencils, food, whatever you want. A variable works in the same way, where we can store string, numbers, or more even complex data. For example, in Python, you can write like this, and JavaScript like this. Without variables, your coding will be nightmare. Just imagine, every time when you need some number or string, you need to write it manually. Oof. Variables make your code reusable, readable, and scalable. Real life example. You are playing a game where you have some hero and you have some stats. And you, for example, his health, scores, and so on, you store in variables. Quick challenge. Pause right now video and write a comment what you will name a variable where you're going to store the name of your favorite food. Forgetting to name variables properly. For example, if you want to store age, you need to use age instead of x or something else. Don't use spaces and special characters. Use camel case or underscores. Don't mix up strings and numbers because 5 like this and 5 like this will be totally different. Let's practice. Open your editor and write this code. Write in the comments what you get. If you have any problems, just ping me. Today we learned what variables are, how to use them, why they're important, common mistakes. Follow for more because in future videos we are going to discuss if-else statements. Ciao!